Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to talk about the compound words. And the compound words and the definition of the compound word is a compound word is a word that is formed when two or more words are joined together to make a new word with a new meaning. इसका सिंपल मतलब ये है कि जब टू वर्ड्स आपस में मिलते हैं और उससे एक नया लफ्ज़ बनता है और उसकी मीनिंग भी फिर कुछ और होती है। इस वीडियो में हम 5 लेवल्स करेंगे। लेवल 1 जो कि इजीएस्ट होगा। फॉर एग्जांपल सनलाइट सनलाइट, बेड रूम बेडरूम, रेनबो रेनबो, फुटबॉल फुटबॉल, नोट बुक नोटबुक। And the second level, toothbrush toothbrush, blackboard blackboard, afternoon afternoon, playground playground, newspaper newspaper, homework homework. And the level 3, firefly firefly, lifetime lifetime, moonlight moonlight, starfish starfish, overnight overnight, haircut haircut. The level 3, overconfident, understand, well known, timetable timetable, anywhere. Level 5, outspoken, shortcoming, overshadow overshadow, forthcoming, sometimes. Subscribe to my channel.